Hello everyone and welcome back to Grace Violin Tutorials. Today we're going to be working on page 6 of the String Builder book, which goes over whole notes and whole rests on your violin and then combines that with some of our previous techniques. So if you're ready to go, let's get started. So we're going to start with piece number 11 in the String Builder book. So you're going to put your violin on your shoulder and we're going to play whole notes on our open strings, the G, the D, the A, and the E string, okay? So a whole note receives 4 counts, so while you're playing it, you want to move your bow very slowly so you have enough room for the entire note. So I'm going to go ahead and play, and you can just listen the first time and then play with me the second time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, now you can try playing with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you are. So now we're going to work on 2 halves and a whole. So that alternates between half notes and whole notes on your violin, and we will just be playing open strings. So I'm going to play it through once, and then you can play along with me the second time. And we will start on a down bow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, Now you can try playing with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you are. So now we're going to do 1 long and 4 shorts. It's going to start on the D string and do a whole note, and then we're going to have 4 quarter notes, and then a whole note, 4 quarter notes, and back and forth till the end of the song. Now you can try playing it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, And now we're going to play the next song, which is 4 shorts and 1 long. So we're going to have the quarter notes first, and then the whole note after that, and a pattern till the end of the song. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can try playing along. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you go. So now I'm going to do our theme song, Lightly Row. So I'm going to teach you the student part, and then at the end of the video, I'll provide some bonus material and give you the accompaniment part, which I will play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can try playing along. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you go. So now we're going to learn about the whole rest. It's called a rest because during the whole rest, we're not actually playing. So the whole rest has 4 counts, just like the whole note. So we're going to learn 2 songs, Gaily the Troubadour, and then Mary Had a Little Lamb, and it's going to go whole note, whole rest, whole note, whole rest, until the end of the song. And then at the end of the video, I'll provide bonus material, which will be the accompaniment part or the melody, so you can play along what you've learned with me. We're going to play Gaily the Troubadour. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now you can try playing along with me, and remember that while you're resting, you want to keep your bow on the string. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you go. So now we're going to play Mary Had a Little Lamb, which is exactly the same as Gaily the Troubadour, only it's on the A string. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you can try playing it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. This lesson we worked on whole notes and whole rests, as well as putting that together with the half notes and the quarter notes that we've been working on in the previous lessons. Thank you so much for watching this video today. If you liked it, please subscribe so that you don't miss another video next time they come out. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to hear about your progress in the future. So now I'm going to play the teacher part to our theme song, Lightly Row, while you can play the student part that we learned earlier in the video. I'm going to play it twice through so you can really practice doing that student part. 1, 2, ready, go. So now I'm going to play the accompaniment teacher part for Gaily the Troubador, which can be found in the String Builder Teacher's Manual right here. All right, so we'll go 1, 2, ready, go. There you are. Now I'll play the teacher accompaniment for Mary Had a Little Lamb, and you can practice the student part that we learned earlier in the video. 1, 2, ready, go.